Let's see the date now.
11 December 2016.
Okay, Sunday. This is a 10-year-old. No, this therapist is
20.
20 years old. Female therapy, female because the claws are short. Has a complaint of sneezing, like that. And now, of course, you can't hear you. And this sneezing, but there's no respiratory distress. You can see no gasping. So now to examine the therapy, it is proposed that you hold behind the ears, the leg come out first, and then you hold behind the ears, and you can even medicate it. But of course, it's not easy to hold behind the ears. You see there, and then you medicate it, especially the big ones. Okay, hold behind the ears and open his mouth. You see there. Check the mouth. Anything inside? It's all. Did you manage to get it? Look at the internal. Is it ulcers there? Is it ulcers? Check and see, because there's only a way to check. This one it does bite, of course. Any ulcers? The tongue? Somewhere you can see tongue ulcers. Okay, now you just stretch the hold like that. And you can examine the mouth is a little bit inflamed. I can see that it's inflamed and dry. Other than that, there is no respiratory infection. So this is how you give medication. Just give a drop. You see, you know how to do it this way. Okay. So, okay, finish.